walang iba kundi mutya ng Cotabato. Yeah, gandang Cotabateña. Yeah, mutya ng Cotabato, the pride of the province of Cotabato. Na epirami of serbisyong totoo. Talino, husay, talento at galing. Nakatanging hiyas na pinagmamalaking galing sa atin. Isang ang obra maestra. Kumikinang natala ng probinsya. Ng probinsya. Gandang Cotabateña, grace in every stride. In a heart of golden spirit, bold she walks with pride. Ganda, talino, puso at serbisyo, walang iba kundi mutya ng Cotabato.
Cotabateña sa babayan ka makikita. Mula Kirabao na laban ang buong probinsya, ikaw ang bida. At isa, nantigpas taglay mo'y aking ganda. Arakan ba ni sila Carmen ang serbisyong totoo danda. Kabakan libungan, babayan, ika'y kinikilala. Lang mag-bet, makilala ang mga pangako yung mutanaw. Madalang sayang, di kabayan, si Pusi, ikaw ang inspirasyon. Higit President Rojas, tulunan, ikaw ang aming mutya, walang kabatay.
Isa kang obra maestra. Kumikinang natala ng probinsya. Ng probinsya. Gandang Cotabateña, grace in every stride. With a heart of golden spirit, bold she walks with pride. Ganda, talino, puso at serbisyo, walang iba kundi mutya ng Cotabato.
I love Balanggalan 22 Municipality of Carmen.
Ng obra maestra. Kumikinang natala ng probinsya. Ng probinsya. Gandang Cotabateña, grace in every stride. In a heart of golden spirit, bold she walks with pride. Ganda, talino, puso at serbisyo, walang iba kundi mutya ng Cotabato. Yeah, gandang Cotabateña. Yeah, gandang Cotabateña. Cotabateña, gandang Cotabateña.
Sunset, walk in the blue beside you. Everybody put your forehead.
Sa tunay bang ibig na totoo ba ang pinagama? Kiss mo, I can't feel it so good. Ano tayo mas masigaw? Wala na nakita ka. Wala ang pangalan ba? Bakit may kapila? Feels like pagkakibo. Feel like to the best with you. Sukis ng pagkakibo. Sukis ng pagkakibo. Kapit na ang araw, hinatang nakikibig. Sabi-sabi sa dingding nasa ng pag-ibig. Sabi-sabi sa dingding kalimutang sa bibig. Sabi-sabi sa dingding nasa ng pag-ibig. Sinibala may pag-asa na ba na baka ang puso ko lagi nang umaawit.
All right, we're halfway there. Moving on to candidate number 9, Ayla Palanggalan from the municipality of Carmen. Ayla or Ayla? Ayla. Grabe, ang haba na rin ang pinagdaanan nyo sa competition na ito. Pero ito lang ang masasabi ko, congrats sa'yo.
Thank you so much.
And of course, good luck. This is your chance to prove that you are fit to be Mutya ng Cotabato 2024. Please choose your envelope.
Okay, Ayla, your question is, with Cotabato's rich cultural heritage, how do you think we can balance modernization while preserving our traditional values and practices? With Cotabato's rich cultural heritage, how do you think we can balance modernization while preserving our traditional values and practices?
Cotabato province is not being considered as the hidden gem of the Philippines for nothing, as we have so much to offer. First is our natural beauty of our nature. Second is the rich cultures and traditions. And third is that we, the Cotabateños, as we are warm, welcoming people of Cotabateños. And if I will be given a chance to promote our cultural heritage, I will use and utilize the social media. As we live in the 21st century, technology is being a big part of our lives, and that I can use technology to promote and show the world our beautiful Cotabato, and that we can preserve it to the next generation. That would be all. Thank you.
That's Mutya number 9, Ayla Palanggalan. You know what I love about these ladies is they are just out here ready to answer these questions. It's like they've studied hard and they know exactly what they're talking about. So this time, let's bring out Mutya number 10.
Smile. You can win at everything, but you can't try. Baby, you don't have to worry, 'cause there ain't no need to hurry. No one ever said that there's an easy way. When they're close and all their doors, you got imutin na mundo. Nang magkasama tayo, sunod sa bawat galaw, hindi ka maliligaw. Pilipas, hanap-hanap kita.